In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a property in Google Analytics. Whether you're cleaning up old properties or just ensuring your workspace is as efficient as possible, this straightforward process will guide you in tidying up your Google Analytics account. Let's get started with the preparation necessary for this task. First and foremost, before you proceed with deleting a property, you need to ensure you have the appropriate level of access. You should have either editor or administrator access within your Google Analytics account or property. Having the right permissions is crucial because without them, you won't be able to make any changes. It's also essential to consider backing up any data you wish to retain. Data in Google Analytics can be invaluable for future reference, so think about exporting critical reports. You can easily do this by converting them into a CSV or PDF format, or if you're more technically inclined, using the GA4 Data API for a more tailored backup. Now that you're prepared, let's move on to actually moving the property you want to delete into the trash can. Head over to analytics.google.com and log in with your credentials. After logging in, carefully select the GA4 property you're planning to delete. Once you are in the correct property, locate and click on the admin icon, which you'll find at the bottom left of the interface. This will bring up a series of administrative options. Look for the Property column, and in there, select either Property Settings or Property Details. Both options will get you to the same place. At this point, you should see a button labeled Move to Trash Can at the top right part of your screen. Clicking this button will initiate the process of deletion. You will then be prompted to confirm your intention to delete, so make sure you acknowledge this step to proceed. Finally, it's vital to understand the implications of deleting a property. Once you have moved a property to the trash can, it doesn't disappear immediately. Instead, Google Analytics offers a 35-day grace period. During this period, the property and its data streams are temporarily stored in the trash can. This feature is particularly useful if you find that you've accidentally deleted the wrong property or perhaps have a sudden change of heart. You can restore it with ease within these 35 days. However, it's important to be aware that once this grace period elapses, the property will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive guide to deleting an unwanted property in Google Analytics. Following these steps ensures you manage your data effectively while also maintaining the flexibility to recover something if necessary during the grace period. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.